Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be upgrading the way that I anchor down my plastic, blow mold, and lightweight tombstones in the cemetery. I live down on the Gulf Coast and the wind wreaks havoc on just trying to stand these lightweight tombstones up. So what I'm going to be doing is I've got some 1/2" 2-hole straps, a little Gorilla Glue, some 1/2" PVC pipe I've cut into small short sections from 4 to 6 inches. These are just some ground stakes that I'm going to use to drive into the ground to anchor the tombstone, and just some miscellaneous screws. On my homemade stuff that I've made out of styrofoam, can't really use the straps and screws, so what I do on those, I use Gorilla Glue, and it's the same technique, it's just Gorilla Glued to the back. With the plastic tombstones, during the season last year for Halloween, the plastic with the working back and forth actually broke the glue loose. So I'm going to use the straps this year on the plastic tombstones to see if that's not a little stronger. Here I have 3 new columns that I'm building this year to extend my cemetery fence from last year. Get that painted up with some dry lock, get the skulls put on top, get it weathered, and have it looking like this one in the next couple of days. Okay, so on my blow mold and plastic cemetery tombstones, to keep them from blowing over in the wind, what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach these brackets to the back of the blow mold. I'm going to use a little glue, some Gorilla Glue, as I put the screws in, and just going to glue it around these pipes right here and attach it to the back of the tombstone. That way I can actually drive some rebar or some of the green yard stakes down through it, and I can actually pick the tombstone up off the top of it, move it around, but that should keep it from blowing away. I'm just putting a little dab of glue. I'm going to do that side just yet. I'll put just a drop of glue on each spot just to help hold the screw once I put it in there. There we go. I'll just do the same on the other side there, then I can just drive the rebar through. And there you have it. All you have to do now is just drive the rebar or a piece of the green yard stake down through there. You'll be able to pick the tombstone up off the top of it if you need to. And you can extend the rebar or pole as tall as you want to back behind it to give it more support, or drive it down lower. Alright, and so when you nail in, I'm using the green yard stakes. You can nail it down as deep as you need to. If you want to come down lower or higher, I've just got this to here just for demonstration. But as you see, you pick up the tombstone and move it around. But it's got a little give, but it's not going to fall over or blow away. And that'll keep your tombstone standing in your cemetery. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.